Hello dear students, I'll be showing you further how to handle strings. If you have not covered up my first video, please check that first, and then after we will be continuing this one. Uh, in this session, I'm going to tell you about how to count number of words in a string, and as well as how to input value of a string using scanner class. Now for this I am going to create a new class name. I will be giving it as word count. Now I'll open it, maximize, select all, delete. Now you all know that for taking input using a scanner we will have to import scanner class. So for that, import java.util.star. You can write util.scanner also, but anyways, then I will declare the class as class word count. As usual, public static void main. Now first thing to do inside the main is to declare the object of scanner class. To declare, remember the scanner starts with capital S. So scanner, name of the class, then object name sc equals to new scanner within bracket system dot in. It will create an object of scanner class with the name of sc. Now I will create a blank string str. In this variable I will take the input from the user. Then simply print a message system.out.print enter sentence. Then after we will use the scanner to take the input. For taking the input through scanner, a function is next line. I will write name of the variable equals to name of the object, that is sc dot next line. Now line will be with capital L. Then open and close. Now for counting the number of words, I should have a counter variable which will be a type of int, and name I am giving you as counter. Put 0 right now initially. Another one, in the previous video I have told you to taking the length of the sentence, that int L equals to str dot length with parenthesis. So it will extract the number of letters from it. Now once it is done, we will create a for loop. Now for integer I equals to 0, then I less than L means number of letters minus 1. I am not putting less than equals to because it starts from 0. Then I plus plus. Every time the I will be incremented. Now for extracting each letter from the sentence, as we did before, I will create character ch, and then I will use str dot char add function for extracting the value. For this line and the length, you please refer to my previous video. Now after this, once the character is extracted, we will go for a check that if this extracted letter, that is ch, is equal to a space, put space in single quotation mark. If it is so, then increment the counter with 1, like counter plus plus. Close the if. If it is done, then simply close the for loop. Now everything is done. This entire loop is used for extracting letters one by one and then checking whether it is a space or not. Only for space the counter will be incremented. Alright. Now remember, the number of spaces are always minus 1, means less 1 than number of words. You all understand this? Because suppose I am writing somewhere here, I am a good student. Now in this we have how many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. But number of spaces are 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So if you count number of spaces and then add 1 after end, then it will be equals to number of words. Alright. So I am deleting now just for an example. Now once this loop is done, then we have got the number of spaces. Now again, end of the loop, out of the loop, you please add 1 again to counter. So now it's equals to number of spaces. Now simply print system dot out dot println, give a message, number of words are, then whatever the counter. Everything is over, I believe. The counter means number of spaces are calculated by using space counting, then increment by 1, and then finally print number of words as counter. It's over. Close it. Close the main. Close the class. Alright. Now let us compile it. I believe there shouldn't be anything. If it is so, then I'll show you how to correct it. Yes. So there is no syntax error here. So when there is no syntax error, I will close it. You can see word count. This is my previous one, str hand, and this word count I will run. So right click, click on void main. Now you see this is the scanner job. Like enter sentence and then it will be waiting for you to input. I will enter something here. I am a student of Methodist School, Dankuni. Now I'll press enter. Then this whole line will go into str variable and then it will be calculated and number of spaces and plus 1. That means number of words are 8. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So number of words are 8. This is all for today. We will be going further with the strings. As you all know, in class 10 ICSC, this string part is taking major portion of the syllabus. So we'll be carrying on with this in our next video. Thank you so much.